the legend just went topless. This is the 2026 BRABUS G Cabrio, the wild, open-air super SUV built on the Mercedes G-Wagon, but reborn with the unmistakable aggression only BRABUS can deliver. Today on VelozDrive, we're diving deep into what is, without a doubt, the most exclusive open-top luxury 4x4 in the world. This is a machine built not just for the streets, but to dominate them. The first thing that hits you is its sheer presence. You see, BRABUS doesn't just modify the G-Wagon, they completely transform it. The 2026 G Cabrio gets the full BRABUS Widestar treatment. That means wider fenders that give it an impossibly broad stance, forged carbon intakes that look like they could inhale the road, a completely redesigned front fascia, and a hood sculpted with deep, muscular lines. Every angle is aggressive. And then, there are the wheels. These 24-inch BRABUS monoblock Zs complete the look, towering, sharp-edged, and unapologetically bold. But it's with the roof down that the silhouette becomes something truly rare. It's not just a G-Wagon anymore. It's a luxury SUV that's been turned into an exotic, high-riding roadster. There's simply nothing else like it on the road. Now, let's talk about what's lurking under that sculpted hood. It's the heart of the beast. A BRABUS-tuned 4.0-litre bi-turbo V8, pushing out a monstrous 800-plus horsepower and torque figures that feel like they could twist the very earth beneath it. This isn't just a G-Wagon with the top cut off. This is a legitimate performance monster. Getting from 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in around 4 seconds, which is frankly insane for something shaped like a brick and weighing as much as a small house. But that's the BRABUS magic. Power is delivered with zero hesitation, and it's accompanied by a soundtrack that literally shakes everything around you. The BRABUS exhaust system isn't just loud, it's an event. It's a deep, guttural roar that announces your arrival from blocks away. But what's it actually like to drive? Roof down, wind tearing through the cabin, that V8 thunder right behind you. The G Cabrio delivers one of the rawest, most visceral luxury driving experiences you can possibly buy. It feels like a yacht on wheels, commanding, heavy, but with an unbelievable layer of refinement. The view from the driver's seat is empowering. You sit high above everyone else with a clear view over the long, flat hood. The steering is surprisingly precise for a vehicle of this size, making it easy to place on the road. The suspension is firm, but it's controlled, so it doesn't feel crashy or uncomfortable. And that all-wheel drive system makes it feel absolutely unstoppable, whether you're navigating tight city streets or climbing a mountain trail. It's an intoxicating blend of raw power and complete control. And speaking of trails, despite all the luxury, despite the open top, and despite the supercar price tag, this is still a G-Class at its core. That means it has the legendary off-road DNA. You get 3 locking differentials, a proper low-range gearbox, and serious ground clearance. The BRABUS G Cabrio doesn't just go off-road. It dominates it, but with a level of style that no other SUV can even dream of matching. Imagine pulling up to a remote, scenic overlook, roof down, covered in a light layer of dust. That's the kind of adventure this vehicle was born for. It proves that extreme luxury and extreme capability don't have to be mutually exclusive. Step inside, and BRABUS turns the cabin into a handcrafted luxury studio. We're talking full masterpiece leather, intricate diamond stitching that covers almost every surface, custom BRABUS embossing, and real carbon fiber everywhere you look and touch. The attention to detail is just staggering. The seats are some of the most comfortable in the world, incredibly soft, beautifully sculpted, and adjustable in every conceivable direction. You could drive this thing across a continent and step out feeling refreshed. The digital cockpit remains modern, clear, and perfectly integrated with custom BRABUS animations and graphics that greet you when you start it up. It feels special, bespoke, and a world away from the already luxurious standard G-Wagon. But something this special can't be for everyone. The 2026 BRABUS G Cabrio isn't a mass production machine. It's produced in extremely limited numbers, with each one built to order for a customer list filled with serious collectors, CEOs, and even royalty. The waiting list is long, and the price, well, as the old saying goes, if you have to ask, it's probably out of reach. Fully optioned, this incredible cabrio can easily cross the $750,000 mark and climb to over $1 million, depending on the level of customization. This is automotive haute couture. So, who is this for? The 2026 BRABUS G Cabrio isn't for everyone, and it doesn't pretend to be. It's for that very select few who demand ultimate power, unparalleled presence, and extreme exclusivity in the most dramatic open-top form possible. Is it practical? No. Is it subtle? Absolutely not. But is it the wildest, most luxurious, and most head-turning open-air SUV ever built? Without a single question. This is the G-Wagon, reinvented, louder, faster, and more iconic than ever before. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for joining us on VelozDrive. If you loved this look at the ultimate G-Wagon, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our next adventure. We'll see you in the next one.